Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Spanish for Real Life. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're going to learn something incredibly useful. We're going to master 60 essential Spanish words that you absolutely need to know as a beginner. These aren't random vocabulary words from a textbook. These are real words that Spanish speakers use constantly in everyday life. Words about objects, activities, feelings, and situations you encounter every single day. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation of practical Spanish vocabulary. Here's how we'll do this. I'll teach each word twice, first in English so you understand what it means, then in Spanish so you hear how native speakers say it. Simple, effective, and perfect for beginners. Ready? Let's dive in. We'll start with common objects you see and use every day. Number 1. Book. Libro. Number 2. Phone. Teléfono. Number 3. Computer. Computadora. Number 4. Pen. Bolígrafo. Number 5. Paper. Papel. Number 6. Bag. Bolsa. Number 7. Key. Llave. Number 8. Wallet. Cartera. Number 9. Watch. Reloj. Number 10. Glasses. Gafas. Number 11. Shoes. Zapatos. Number 12. Clothes. Ropa. Oh. Great. Now let's learn words about places you visit regularly. Number 13. Bank. Banco. Number 14. Hospital. Hospital. Number 15. Pharmacy. Farmacia. Number 16. Market. Mercado. Number 17. Church. Iglesia. Number 18. Office. Oficina. Number 19. Library. Biblioteca. Number 20. Station. Estación. Perfect. Now let's learn some important action words that you'll use all the time. Number 21. To walk. Caminar. Number 22. To run. Correr. Number 23. To sleep. Dormir. Number 24. To eat. Comer. Number 25. To drink. Beber. Number 26. To ride. Leer. Number 27. To write. Escribir. Number 28. To listen. Escuchar. Number 29. To watch. Mirar. Number 30, to open, abrir. Number 31, to close, cerrar. Number 32, to enter, entrar. Number 33, to leave, salir. Number 34, to wait, esperar. Number 35, to find, encontrar. Excellent work so far. You're learning so many useful words. Now this is the perfect moment to pause for just a second. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button right now. It really helps this video reach more Spanish learners like you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. I create videos like this every week with practical Spanish vocabulary you can use immediately. Also, leave me a comment below and tell me which word you're most excited to use. All right, let's continue learning. Now, let's learn words to describe how you feel. Number 36, angry, enojado. Number 37, worried, preocupado. Number 38, excited, emocionado. Number 39, bored, aburrido. Number 40, nervous, nervioso. Number 41, calm, tranquilo. Number 42, confused, confundido. Number 43, sure, seguro. Great! Now let's learn some important descriptive words. Number 44, fast, rapido. Number 45, slow, lento. Number 46, strong, fuerte. Number 47, weak, débil. Number 48, clean, limpio. Number 49, dirty, sucio. Number 50, full, lleno. Number 51, empty, vacío. Number 52, open, abierto. Number 53, closed, cerrado. Number 54, expensive, caro. Number 55, cheap, barato. Perfect. Finally, let's finish with some essential everyday words. Number 56, cuestión, pregunta. Number 57, answer, respuesta. Number 58, problem, problema. Number 59, solution, solución. Number 60, name, nombre. Incredible! You just learned 60 essential Spanish words. Let's do a super quick review of some key ones. Book is libro. Phone is teléfono. Bank is banco. Market is mercado. To walk is caminar. To sleep is dormir. Angry is enojado. Fast is rapido. Clean is limpio. Problem is problema. You know what? I'm really proud of you. Learning 60 words in one sitting is a huge accomplishment. These words are the foundation you need to start having real conversations in Spanish. With these 60 words, you can talk about objects around you, places you go, actions you take, how you feel, and describe things accurately. Think about how much you can already say. You can say, El libro está limpio, which means the book is clean. Or, voy al mercado, which means I'm going to the market. Or, estoy emocionado, which means I'm excited. You're already building sentences in Spanish. Here's what I want you to do next. This is important. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. That's not how language learning works. You need active practice. So pick 10 words from this video. Just 10. Write them down on paper or in your phone notes. And practice saying them out loud 5 times each. Do this today, right after watching this video. And here's your challenge for this week. Try to use at least 5 of these words in real situations. If you see a book, say libro in your head. If you're at the bank, think banco. If you're walking somewhere, think caminar. The more you connect these Spanish words to real-life situations, the faster you'll remember them. Now, before you go, I need your help with 3 things. First, if this video was useful to you, please give it a thumbs up. That simple click makes a huge difference. It helps YouTube recommend this video to other people who are learning Spanish just like you. Second, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post beginner-friendly Spanish videos every single week. Videos with vocabulary, phrases, grammar tips, everything you need to speak Spanish confidently and naturally. Third, leave me a comment right now. Tell me which word from today's lesson you found most useful, or tell me what vocabulary topic you want me to cover next. Do you want to learn body parts, weather words, emotions, technology vocabulary? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one, and your suggestions help me create better content for you. Remember, learning Spanish is a journey. It's not about memorizing every word perfectly. It's not about being fluent overnight. It's about consistent progress. And by watching this video and learning these 60 words, you've made real, tangible progress today. You know 60 more Spanish words than you did 15 minutes ago. That's something to celebrate. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I truly appreciate you being here and investing your time in learning Spanish. Keep practicing these 60 words. Use them in real life. Say them out loud. Write them down. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do this. You're going to speak Spanish. Hasta la próxima. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.